Hi, guys. Welcome to another wonderful week of distance learning. I'm going to walk through this week's weekly practice and kind of what the expectations are for this week because, as usual, it's a little bit different. Again, I'm trying some things to keep us all excited, and it's important to try new things. So, we're going to start this week. This entire slide is your practice for the week. All of the other links, except for the quizzes, are the same. So the IXL practice is the same as last week. I still want you to do about 20 minutes of practice this week, but you will be entered into the raffle by finishing this weekly practice slide. So to go over the directions, today's goal is the same as today. This week's goal is the same as being able to write and solve two-step equations from real-world situations. It's really important that you complete these slides in order, and you will be doing 3 separate activities to do that. And then you're going to be watching this video to get an example of work in each activity. So, and then I'll link another story problem on how to write an equation from a story problem. The goal is to be creative and have some fun. And then remember, all this is due by Friday. You don't have to do it all in one day. So the first activity is one that we did in class together where you were solving equations and matching to story problems. So if you look at this, you'll see 4 story problems, and you'll read a story problem and determine what the variable is and what the total is and try and figure out which equation matches. So if Sam and her 3 friends each bought a ticket at the movie theater and they also bought a large tub of popcorn to share for $8, if it cost a total of $36, how much did each ticket cost? So I know that we're looking for the cost of each ticket and that there were 4 friends total plus the 8 popcorn. So as a hint, I'm going to help you guys and put that one right there. When you finish this activity, it will be important that you go to this answer key, which looks like this, and you can actually put in what you got for equation 1, going back. So equation 1, letter, what was the letter on that? The letter was C. Okay, so you type in C into that spot, and then you go to the solution and you type in the number for the solution. So you'd actually have to solve the equation. So there's 8 of these problems for activity 1, and there's an answer key to see if you get it correct. Activity 2 is all a Google form. So when you click on this Google form, this is actually your exit ticket for the week, and it looks like this. This is similar to last week's activity. You're going to read a story problem. You're going to choose the equation that fits and the answer that fits this story problem. One of the questions will kind of have you explaining your reasoning, but this is your exit ticket for the week, reading and solving story problems. And then the third activity is actually the big one that I'm really excited to see you guys do. You're going to get a list of equations, and you just need to choose one, and you're going to write a story problem and identify the keywords, define the variable, and solve. So this slide looks like this. You have 8 equations to choose from. When you decide on the slide that you, or the equation you want, maybe I want to do equation number 5. I want to take half of an M&M and subtract 8 from it and equals 12. That's a horrible story problem. Don't use that one. And so this way, Mr. Tool and I know which one you chose. And you're going to complete this slide with this information. So you'll tell us which equation you chose, and you'll fill out the keywords, define the variable and the solution by actually writing a story problem yourself. And if you want to see an example of that, you'll look at slide 11. Remember, you guys can always message us and see what's happening, and come at us with any questions that you guys might have. Good luck. Again, new things, works our brain. I know story problems are harder, but you guys got this.